This is the best castle ever. Guard the treasure forever. Whoa! That wave's HUG! Mummy? Papa? Where am I? What is that? It's sticking to me.
I'll guide you home through memories.
Okay, let's find my way home. Wow, so beautiful!
Hello there, young adventurer. Hungry? These berries are the sweetest in the whole jungle.
Whoa, you can talk?
Yes, buddy, in this jungle, everybody can speak. Birds, everyone has their own voice.
Guys, this is crazy! Kamal ho gaya, everyone here can talk. It looks like we've entered a real magical world.
Don't be shy, little friend. Try one. They give you energy for big adventures. Wow, these are amazing. Come on. There's so much more to show you in these ancient ruins.
Welcome to my world, Daniel. Let me show you our insect city. Wow, this is amazing.
This is our home, Daniel. Welcome to Insect City.
This is incredible! So many insects living together.
Daniel, you are now part of our family.
I never knew insects could be so much fun. Best day ever.
Hold on tight, everyone. This is the fastest way to the river.
This is so much fun! Whee! Look at you, Daniel. You're already part of our city. This is the best day ever. I want to help more. These swings can do magic tricks. Wow, a rainbow trail. This is so fun! Let's go faster! Hold on tight. This swing knows the way to secret places. Woohoo! This is incredible! This is incredible! Whoa! Your magical compass is reacting to this place. It's pointing somewhere. Let's go check it out.
What an amazing adventure today! Ready for the next one?
Waiting for the next adventure.